Welcome to VTS Options. My name's Brent Osachoff, and I really want to thank you for giving me a few minutes of your valuable time to explain what VTS Options is all about and how I can help you make more money trading options correctly. I'll explain what I mean by that in just a second, but first here's a quick 30-second Cliff Note version of my background. I am a Canadian, born and raised in Calgary, Alberta. I graduated from Simon Fraser University in Vancouver with a focus in economics and math, and then I spent 5 years playing professional golf around North America and Asia. It was a great experience. I saw a lot of nice parts of the world, but I did retire from professional golf in 2005 and I began trading. In 2011, I founded VTS, and I've been helping people grow their investment accounts ever since. Now, I do also have several ETF and tactical rotation strategies as well. That's all under the banner of VTS. But on the VTS option side of things, I started my career as an options trader, and I've had a heavy focus on them for the last 15 years. So like I said, that's the short version. Always feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. But now let me tell you what VTS Options is all about, and I'll highlight 3 things. The first is consistent performance. The vast majority of option trading services out there try to wow you with big gains, talking about how you can double your account in a short amount of time. Or you'll see them talking about how you can make a certain percentage per month with what they call income trading, which in my opinion is equally dangerous. It's a pretty standard template of offerings out there. Most of them are fairly similar. Now, if I'm the first one that you've seen, then I'm flattered. Thank you for seeking me out, and I think you've come to the right place. But my guess is that I'm not the first one. There's a pretty good chance you've seen some of those other types that I talked about, and you've seen firsthand that it's only a matter of time before they blow up. Chasing big gains, or doing anything on a time schedule is a surefire way to fail. I trade options because it's one of the best ways to make a realistic, consistent rate of return, to reduce drawdowns through risk management, and to do it all while maintaining a very low correlation to the stock market. When traders start to get impatient and try to force those outsized profits, that's when things can go off the rails. And since options trading does have that inherent leverage factor built in, when things do go badly, it can be swift and punishing. Don't fall for those marketing tricks that are just pulling on your emotional strings. You're not going to double your account every year, and you're not going to make 5% a month like clockwork. In my opinion, the only way to succeed in the long run is to target consistency above all else. And that's the first advantage to VTS options. The second is variety. How many option services have you seen out there that focus on long calls on those high-flying stocks, shooting for those big winners? Or maybe they just focus on credit spreads. Most of them are pretty specific. But my thought is, why take what is already a focused investing style, options trading, and make it even more hyper-focused? When you try to clean up your diet, you don't just eat broccoli. I mean, sure, it's healthy, but what about all those other great foods? Why not make a complete plan? I always take the best possible option trade in the moment, never limiting my choices. I match the best trade to the current market environment. And if that's an iron condor, a calendar, credit spreads, call or put vertical, straddles, whatever is the highest probability trade at that time, that's the one I take. I don't handcuff myself to a specific trade type. We can't control the markets. We can only control the trades we take that match the markets. And for that, you're going to need a full toolbox of option trades at your disposal. And you'll learn them all at VTS Options. And that brings me to the third advantage I bring. Education. When I say that you'll learn them, I mean it. You'll actually learn them. This isn't just me rambling off a list of possible trades and asking you to choose from the list like most other services out there. I'm not posting my trades on Twitter and then cherry picking the best ones to show everybody what a big profit I just made. That's not education. That's the fake guru world. Every trade I take has a blog post explaining why I like the trade. All the details are given so you can easily and quickly execute it in your trading platform. I go through the margin requirements of each trade, my plans for managing the risk, exactly what my personal allocation will be to that trade. I show you the price, time, and volatility focus of the Greeks, highlight the volatility conditions on that day, and there's supplementary videos explaining the trade type and other valuable educational topics. VTS Options covers it all. Consistent performance, a full toolbox of option trades for every market environment, and a complete breakdown of each trade, so instead of following somebody's alerts, you can actually see the full trade from start to finish for everything that we do. And I've also priced my service to be available to everybody from high net worth individuals to those just starting out and trading on a smaller account. Of course, we all started in the same place, so small account sizes are just fine. From beginners to experts, I'm confident there's something here for everybody. Investing isn't just a short-term game where you swoop in, make some big profit, and sail off into the sunset. It's a multi-decade-long process requiring patience, consistency, and real skills to navigate both bull markets and bear markets, and that's what I'm going to give you. So sign up for your free trial, join the VTS community, and let me show you how to trade options the right way, from a portfolio perspective, so you can be profitable for many years to come. Thanks for watching.